welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencer. I do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews and all that other jazz. So in today's video I'm actually going to show you guys a couple of the new products I've tried this year and I absolutely loved it. So I just thought I'll just share with you guys too, especially if you are in the market looking for something specific like this. So before we get into this video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. So let's just not waste any more time and get into this video. Love you all, take care, bye. So this year is all about being like so far in makeup. When it comes to makeup, this year is all about doing your makeup looking super duper lightweight and very natural. So the skin tints are becoming like a new trend this year. Every other brand is coming out with skin tint. Last year I remember Mercier come out with the skin tint and it was really good, really popular. It's still one of my favorites. But this year, like, there have been so many new ones by so many different brands, and I'm not gonna say I have all of them, but I actually have a couple of them which is kind of like my favorites right now. Now I really want to point this out. I haven't tried the NARS Tinted Moisturizer. I know it's one of the best one out there and it's like everybody loves it. I haven't tried it myself yet, so it's not in my favorite collection, but I will be getting that very soon and I'm gonna be testing that out. However, I'm gonna go ahead and show you all of my favorite tinted moisturizers so far and why I love them. I recommend these to you guys because I've tested them and I quite liked it. I really liked it. So the first one I'm going to show is actually one of the really good ones, and I've been using this one for a very long time now. I think I bought it back in 2017 and I absolutely loved it, and I've been keep buying it because I feel sometimes I actually feel like it, if I don't want to do any makeup, I can just put this product on and I just have still nice glow and a bit of a coverage. And this is from Tarte Cosmetics and it's their CC Plus color correcting full coverage cream. Now it has an anti-aging hydrating serum as well, which helps. So if you are over 40 or if you are someone who has fine lines and wrinkles and everything, this is going to work really well for you. Now when I bought it, I bought the shade light and medium as well. Sometimes I mix both of these shades together and then use it, and sometimes I just use only medium or light depending how pale or how tan I am. Like in today's look, I'm actually wearing the medium one and I only used one pump. Literally one pump, and I just did my whole face just with one pump, and look how nice and beautiful the finish is. So the Tarte Cosmetics CC cream has always been my favorite, and I will highly recommend you if you are looking for something which is gonna also give you a coverage but not gonna be too heavy on your skin. This is something you definitely want to check it out. The next one, which absolutely is my favorite is, especially when it comes to skin tints, is from Kevyn Aucoin. Kevyn Aucoin Stripped Nude Skin Tint is so good. It's so lightweight and it's absolutely amazing. It gives you the most amazing finish you can think. I'm gonna try to put like a clips down over here somewhere to show you the actual product right on my bare skin, so you can see yourself how the finish looks. But I actually got myself a shade medium ST05, which I personally think goes absolutely perfectly well for my skin tone. This tinted moisturizer is super light coverage. It's a natural finish that makes your skin literally looks like you're not wearing anything. It's so lightweight that it gives your skin a boost without looking like you're wearing any makeup. So this is definitely my favorite skin tint so far. Among all the ones which came out this year and among all the ones I tried, this has to be my favorite one. This one I want to talk to you guys about is not new. This one is actually which came out last year. Now I know Mercier even have a new formula of a skin tint out, which I haven't tried it yet, but I will definitely be testing that out very soon. This one is from Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Natural Skin Perfector, and this one was Actually, this one came out last year. I still really like it. The shade I use is 2N1 Nude. Absolutely love this. Again, this gives me pretty much the same kind of feeling as Kevyn Aucoin, maybe 1 or 2 points less than Kevyn Aucoin, but still is one of my favorites. It's really good. It goes really nicely with my skin tone, the shade, and again it gives me a really nice glow without looking like I'm wearing any makeup. So again, this is one of my favorites. The other one I tried, I actually got myself a mini size because I wasn't really sure if I'm gonna like this, and the other one was I wasn't really sure about the shades. The shades were the way they like named their shades. I wasn't really sure which one is gonna be my correct shade. So this one is from Tarte and it's their hydroflex serum foundation, and I actually got myself 25 and light medium neutral. So I got myself a shade light medium neutral, and I do like the formula. I really like the formula. However, I personally think it's maybe a slightly pale for me. Again, I'll put the clip somewhere here so you can see. I feel like it is sometimes slightly light for my skin tone. So I might go for like a shade up for this one and maybe get a bigger size, but I do like this. The formula is really good. Again, very lightweight, very comfortable on your skin, gives your skin a very nice looking natural finish, which I absolutely love it. So this is again very good one to try. Last one, okay, I'm gonna do mine when it comes to this one. The last one is from Huda Beauty and it's Glowlish Multi-Dew Skin Tint by Huda Beauty. So this one, okay, I have to say, first time when I tried it, it was a total disaster because I went ahead and I think I applied way too much product. I actually did 2 layers, and by the time I was finished filming the whole look and everything, I was looking so greasy and so oily that like I just came out of a oil bath or something. It was not a very good experience. Second time when I tried it, I used a very small amount of the product. I actually set it with the setting powder quite a bit to make sure I don't get that oily or greasy. I'm not even an oily skin person. I'm a dry skin person, and this happened. I couldn't imagine if an oily skin person would put this product way too much or even more than it required, how their skin will react. I do like this because apart from giving you a glow and a natural finish, it does give you a bit of a coverage as well. Now, when it says natural finish, I will just say compared to my Kevyn Aucoin, this does give you coverage as soon as you apply it. So it still looks like you're wearing a makeup, even though it's a skin tint. So it is a good product, but I don't think so I will use this all the time as a on-the-go rush makeup and I just want to apply some skin tint. I don't think so I will use this one because this one has a very luminous finish, like a very luminous finish, and it does give me a bit of a coverage too. So if it comes to it, like if I want to use this product, I will definitely use it if I'm doing a reverse makeup, and instead of using a foundation, I will use this because it gives me a really nice finish and a bit of a coverage. And if you're doing a reverse makeup, you don't actually need a lot of foundation, so you can really get away by using this product. But if I'm just doing a natural finish makeup and I just want to apply some skin tint and some blush, this is probably not one of my go-to products. I still probably will pick Kevyn Aucoin or even Laura Mercier one, but not this one. It's still a good product. I won't say it's a bad product. It's definitely a good product, but you have to apply a very small amount, and you really need to set this product with the setting powder. Otherwise, even though if you are a dry skin, you're gonna look like you are super duper oily skin person. So these are all my favorite skin tints right now, and I absolutely love them. I really like the collection I just put together to show you guys, because these are the products which I've been tested for a while, or I tested it for a good few months before making this video to recommend to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't worry, the NARS one and the new Laura Mercier one is definitely in my list. As soon as I bought it, I'll just do another review showing you guys how I feel about those two tinted moisturizers as well. But so far these are my favorite ones, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask me in the comment section below, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all, take care, stay safe, be good, bye.